Now let me share the screen. Today we will finish off this matrices and determinants, and I think we entered up to the matrix matching. Let me show you that. Yeah, if you say this, just a moment. Now, I think we finished up to this. This also we finished. And I asked you to take a screenshot of it for practice.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Now we have come to this now. Yes, please. 1 plus x square, x 1 plus x square, x square x 1 plus x is equal to ax power 5 plus bx power 4 plus cx cube plus dx square plus ex plus f. The value of f is, I need to tell you that you can say the constant, you can get it by simply putting x equal to 0. X equal to 0 implies anyone? 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 gives you f there. So what should be f in this case? 4 minus 1, 3, 1 minus 2, minus 1, and 1 minus 2, minus 1. It is 1, please. So f maps to a maps to 1. Are you there, everyone?
Yes, sir.
With Bolo?
हाँ तो आप लोगों ने x0 लिखा है
एक मिनट x equal to 0 implies one zero zero, correct. 0 1 0 0 0 1 is equal to f हो गया, means in this case also f is 1. ठीक है. Then we need e here. E is the coefficient of x. रचित कहाँ पे है क्लास में? रचित Rachit is there in the class or not? To get the value of E, you have to differentiate the determinant and then put x equal to 0. Differentiate. Yes, please. Yes, please. Differentiate.
1, 1 and 2x.
And x equal to 0. If you differentiate this, that is
1, 1, 0.
1, 1. A 2 into 0. Directly लिख रहा हूं. This is 0.
0, 1, 0 or 0, 0, 1.
A 2 into 0. नहीं, एक मिनट. A 0, this is 1, this is 0. Differentiation, as you know, I need not to tell you, you have to differentiate the first column and rest of them as it is. ये तो हो गया. Then what is its value, please? It is 1 only. And 1 into this is 0. So this is 1.
सबका 1 ही आता है.
सबका 1 ही आता है. क्योंकि the elements are uniform there. हाँ. So that gives you E directly. So implies E is equal to 3, please. Yes. Now I have to find out A plus C, please. Put x equal to 1 and put x equal to minus 1 then. And add. If you put x equal to 1, you will get. If you differentiate 2 times, then you will get D. Then put x equal to 1. You will get A plus B plus C and D, E, F we know. Then put x equal to minus 1. Then you will get minus A plus B minus C plus D minus C plus F like that. Then add them. What happens? I repeat what I'm saying. If you put x equal to minus 1, what is that you get? You tell me, please. Anyone? What is that you get if you put x equal to 1 first? If you put x equal to 1, you will get A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. इसके बारे में सोचने की जरूरत नहीं. Because we know E and F, it is 4. It is 4. Then if you put x equal to minus 1, this is 4. This part is 4. Okay. Now put x equal to minus 1. Then what is that you get? Minus A plus B minus C plus D, of course, plus E plus F. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? What I'm saying, if you add this, you will get B plus D. If you subtract this, you'll get A plus C. Are you there, everyone?
Yes, sir. So A 0.
Now I'm doing that. We have got two values here. E is 3 and F is 1. Put x equal to 1. Can't tell you that?
तो मैंने ये बहुत लंबा मैं थोड़ा मैंने क्या किया मैंने R1 माइनस R2 किया तो वो 1 माइनस 1 0 बन गया फर्स्ट रो तो वो इजी हो जाता है तो A 0 आता है B माइनस 1 आता है C भी माइनस 1 आता है D
मतलब डायरेक्टली वैल्यू मालूम कर दिया क्या?
हाँ सर और E 3 और F 1
ठीक है
अब सब मैंने भी ऐसे ही किया
लेकिन A प्लस C डायरेक्टली आ जाएगा ना जो मैं बता रहा हूँ. एक मिनट ट्राई करेंगे नहीं तो आपका मेथड करेंगे. Put x equal to 1 comma minus 1. But लंबा नहीं जाएगा देखो एक बार. It will not go lengthy. Let me try 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2. ये हो गया. ये तो आपको this will become A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. It's not lengthy, what I'm saying. Similarly, if you put x equal to minus 1, this will still easy. What happens? Put x equal to minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This will become minus A plus B minus C plus D minus E plus F. That's it. What is its value now? Anyone? 4 minus 1, 3, and it is 1 minus 2 minus 1. 3 into 2, 6. 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. It's nothing but A plus B plus C plus D plus 4. Similarly, this one please. Minus 1. This is minus 1 only, no? Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. It is plus 1. 1 into, ये भी 0 है. So this is A plus B minus C plus D. 1 minus 3 please. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Now add these two, subtract these two. This is, I think it is minus A. It is minus A, it is minus A. ये क्यों लंबा होता है?
सर अगर हम लोग रो ऑपरेशन करके डायरेक्ट निकाले तो
कर सकते बेटा, कर सकते हैं.
मैट्रिक्स सॉल्व करना रहता है.
Yeah, you can do that. Come on, tell me, if you add them, what happens? You will get minus a plus a getting cancelled, plus c minus c getting cancelled, 2b plus 2d. Add them, please. If you add, you will get 4 plus 1, 5. This is 4. This is 1. 5 is equal to twice of b plus c. This is plus 4 minus 2 plus 2. B plus c is how much? B plus d. B plus d.
1.
Yes.
सर आपने मैट्रिक्स गलत लिखा है यहाँ।
कहाँ पे?
when x is equal to -1, so second रो का first element -1 आएगा।
वही देख रहा हूँ इधर, ये कुछ टेढ़ा आया आंसर। तो क्या होता है अभी? -1 इंटू, ये तो करेक्ट है, +1 है, ये 1 इंटू 1 है, 2 हो जाते हैं। नथिंग बट 2। तो क्या होगा बेटा? ये 4 + 2 6 हो जाता है। ठीक है, 4/2 4/2 2 कितना होगा बेटा? b plus d आंसर।
Third b plus d should be 1.
+2, लेकिन इधर टेढ़ा आ रहा है ना?
हाँ,
इधर टेढ़ा आ रहा है, देखो। 4 + 2 6 है, 6 + 2।
डिटरमिनेंट का वैल्यू 0 है।
कौन सा?
दूसरा डिटरमिनेंट
-1 इंटू -1 + 1 और 1 इंटू 1, ये +1 ही है ना?
-1 के पहले भी एक -1 आता है ना? हाँ, तो 2 होगा।
हाँ,
अरे -1 के पहले
हाँ, +1 हो जाता है, +1, हाँ, -1 0, करेक्ट। This becomes 0, then this becomes 4. Then 2/2 1. This is 1 place, b plus d is 1. जैसा उन्होंने बोल रहा था, Dhananjay, what he is saying, he wants to directly find out the determinant. You can do like that also. B plus d is again 1.
a plus c minus.
Subtract, please. If you subtract now, this is a plus c. A plus c will be added and bd will be cancelled. Then you will get 4 is equal to twice of a plus c. We are subtracting it, +4 + 2 +6. So a plus c is -1. This is -1. That's it. Okay. Rachit is not there in the class. Rachit?
No, sir, he is not here.
Yeah. Srivardhan answered it. A plus C minus 1, B plus D is equal to 1. ठीक है. तो ऐसा बड़ा डिटरमिनेंट देने से हम वैल्यू ऐसा मालूम कर सकते हैं. If you want the value of the constant, then put x equal to 0. If you want the coefficient of x, differentiate and put x equal to 0. And again, if you want the value of d directly, then you have to differentiate again and then put x equal to 0. Like that, you can find out the values of a, b, c, d, e, f, like coefficients, by giving different x is equal to 0 in the first without the derivative, x equal to 0 after first derivative, x equal to 0 after second derivative. Like that, you can find out each of the coefficients. Okay. Any doubts, please?
No, sir.
The next one. Root 2 p of theta, root 2 minus root 2 sin theta cos theta 1 cos theta sin theta minus 1 sin theta minus cos theta, q of theta sin 2 theta minus 1 1 cos 2 theta 4 minus 3 2 7 minus 5, and r of theta same as it is given in terms of sine and cos. Here s of theta is given in terms of secant square theta cos square theta, cos square theta cosecant square theta, like that. So we need the range here. Range, you can see column 1 is belonging to the function and column 2 belongs to the range. Okay. Yes, please. Any ideas? P of theta is to be ultimately simplified. P of theta is to be ultimately simplified. So let me do the first one. P of theta, you perform R3.
So,
Yes.
minus root 2 is the least value of sin theta cos theta, right? Minus of sin theta plus cos theta.
Minus of sin theta plus cos theta, range is minus root 2 to plus root 2. That's correct. So I'm performing R2 plus R3 here. So this is minus root 2 sin theta cos theta 1 cos theta sin theta, this is 0, and this is sin theta plus cos theta, and this is sin theta minus cos theta. This is sin theta minus cos theta. Now you can find out the determinant, please. Yes, are you doing it? Put your pen on the paper.
Yes, sir.
Put your pen on the paper, please. Minus root 2 into cos theta sin theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta. So you can see, of course, let me write the second one also. Minus of sine square theta minus sine theta cos theta minus sine theta cos theta. I'm just finding the determinant directly. And minus cos square theta. Okay, now what are the terms getting cancelled here? The third element is 0 here. You can neglect it. So sine theta cos theta minus sine theta cos theta getting cancelled. And of course, this becomes minus 1. And here, this will be added. So this is minus root 2. Take this minus common. That becomes plus root 2. This is root 2. And it is minus 2 sine theta cos theta. Minus is outside here, minus of minus, plus this is sine 2 theta, and this is cos square theta minus sine square theta cos 2 theta. Okay, which belongs to C plus or minus root a square plus b square. C is root 2 here, minus root 2, comma, root 2 plus root 2. So 0 comma 2 root 2. And trigonometry formula which is to be revised now. Trigonometry formula which is to be revised now. Anyone in the class, do you tell me what is the formula used there to write the final result there, 0 comma 2 root 2. Anyone please, anyone in the class? Formula in trigonometry. A cos theta
C plus under root a square plus b square is the upper range and the lower range is C minus under root a square plus b.
Correct. A cos theta plus b sin theta plus C form. It is C minus root a square plus b square, comma, C plus root a square plus b square. That's it. Minimum value, maximum value. Important, please. Important as far as objective is concerned. The range of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus C minus root a square plus b square, comma, C plus root a square plus b square. The question is linked up with the range of trigonometric functions. And here also you can do the same for this one because these are all constants here. You can make any two zeros, you can find it out. Similarly, this also like that. You have 2 cos theta here, 1 sin theta, 2 sin theta here, 1 cos theta, and 2 cos theta here, 1 sin theta.
तो r के लिए डायरेक्ट r1 plus r3 कर देंगे तो 0 0 2 cos theta हो जाएगा
R of theta.
हाँ
R1 plus
r1 plus r3
R1 plus R3. Correct. Correct. Okay. Are you there? What Dhananjay is saying? This is plus cos theta minus cos theta, plus sin theta minus sin theta, plus cos theta plus cos theta. You'll get two zeros here directly. Then you can find it out. I'm erasing this. So for R of theta, R1 plus R3. Let us write that. What will it be? 0, 0. And it is 2 cos theta. Whatever is needed, just write that only. Because we need the cofactor of 2 cos theta. That is why I write these two terms only. Minus sine theta, cos theta. Let me take more space. Just a moment, please. Let me take more space. R of theta is equal to, what is that we are performing? We are performing R1 plus R3. R1 changes to R1 plus R3. So this becomes 0. This becomes 0. This is 2 cos theta. And write only this, it's a cofactor, minus sine theta. And it is cos theta. And it is minus cos theta minus sine theta. Anyone, what is its value, please? It is sine square theta plus cos square theta. It is straight away 2 cos theta only. Is it correct or not? Just check it out. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Two cos theta means you must have minus 2 to plus 2.
R.
So R of theta is R only. P of theta is 0, 2 to 2. Similarly, you can find out Q of theta and S of theta and leaving it. If you say okay, you can do that. Should I leave this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you can make here also the zeros. In this case, you can add these two and you can make 0, 1, 0. And you can find out the determinant. Here also you can make 1, 0 and you can find out the determinant. Okay, moving on to the next question, please. And by the way, in the previous class, we have taken a verification to solve a problem. Let me show you that one moment. This one we have taken verification, but how he formed the question is, when you are finding the determinant, when you interchange 2 rows or 2 columns, the determinant changes its sign. Everyone knows that, I think. Everyone must be knowing. That is why to revise this property, I'm back. I'm back just to revise that property. The property is that whenever 2 rows or columns in a determinant are interchanged, what happens to the determinant? It changes its sign. So if you observe this carefully, this is PQR is here and PQR is here. So let us find out the first how to get this anyone. What is to be interchanged first? Or if you first of all you find out the transpose, that will be better. First of all, you find out the transpose, that will be better. Because transpose of any determinant, det of A transpose is equal to det A. You don't find any difference even if you find out the transpose. So what is the transpose of it? ABC. XYZ. PQR. Okay. Now P is in the second row and sign is changed. So interchange anyone, do you help me out? What is to be interchanged here? These two. Anyone please? Interchange R1 and R2. What happens? Then it becomes minus of det of BYQ
and AXP.
AXP CZR. Now, if you say this again, PQR comes to the first, QPR comes to the first column. Now, interchange C1 and C1 again, that means interchange C1 and C2. Again, first of all, you do this, then this becomes plus. We did it, of course, using the cross verification. We gave values, I do remember that, but somehow I failed to revise this property. That is why I'm back here. Interchange these two. Which one? Let us interchange C2 and C3. Come on, tell me that. BAC. QPR and YXZ. When you interchange these two, one more minus comes. That minus becomes plus here. Anyone, do you help me? What is to be done next? Anyone, please? What is to be done next? What?
C1 and C2.
C1 and C2. So, if you interchange C1 and C2, Q, P, R, B, A, C, and then YXZ. Yes, please. That minus is sent inside again. That minus is sent inside again. And it is adjusted like this. You can see that. It is adjusted like this. That's the reason why we get minus, one more minus here. He have adjusted the minus inside the elements and it is arranged like that. So that is why I want to revise the concept or property that when two rows or two columns in a determinant are interchanged, the value changes its sign. The value changes its sign, please. Remember that. Okay. Now coming to this. This is a little lengthy problem only, particularly that D. I have taken some problems to give you as homework. Just see this one. Take a screenshot of it. The answer is also there in the bottom. I'll give you the idea for the first one, and you'll have to work out. Let me check the chat box. Srivardhan BSCR. Which one are you talking about, Srivardhan?
नहीं सर, वो पहले का सम।
ठीक। Yes, please.
और फर्स्ट वाला डिफरेंशिएशन से कर सकते
कैसा?
और डिफरेंशिएशन से
डिफरेंशिएशन करने से क्या फायदा? What is the use? Just a moment, please, all of you. Now the trigonometric formula. Reminder: if you add these two, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, please. Anyone?
Cos A cos B.
Correct. I'll write it here. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. So what I'm talking about? I'm talking about this. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is nothing but 2 cos AY cos BY. You have cos AY here. So what we do?
सो थर्ड रो भी हो जाएगा ना, sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus.
Correct. I'm talking about columns here. Let me write like this. C1 changes to C1 plus C3 minus 2 cos BY into C2. Anyone? Please tell me what is that you get if you operate this. Anyone, please? Anyone? Of course, the first element will become bigger.
Sin of A minus B.
C1 plus C3 means 1 plus x square minus 2x cos BY. Check it out. These two, if you add, no? Which elements? These two elements, if you add, you will get 2 cos AY cos BY. That is the reason why I subtracted column 2 by multiplying with 2 cos BY, and thereby you will get 0. Just check it out. This becomes 0. Similarly here also. If you see these elements here, what is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B? Factorization formulae.
2 sin A sin B.
Yeah. For your reference, I am writing the formula. 2 sin A. What is that he said?
Sin B.
Wrong, please. 2 sin A cos B. अरे उसके बारे में ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं. sin A प्लस भी पता है, sin A माइनस भी पता है, दोनों को ऐड किया तो 2 sin A cos B बचेगा. You know the formula sin of A plus B and sin of A minus B. Add them to get 2 sin A cos B, and thereby you'll get 2 sin AY cos BY minus 2 cos BY sin AY. That also becomes 0. You must get this idea. And rest of them as it is. You need not have to touch the remaining, because you got 2 zeros here. Cos AY, sin AY, cos of A plus BY, and it is sin of A plus BY. Let me rewrite it. The less space is there. I'm just taking up only those elements that are required. Required elements are cos AY, cos of A plus BY, sin AY, sin of A plus BY. Anyone please? Do you simplify that? Shivardhan, Jahan, Sakshi, Dhananjay, Parsh, Ved.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
उसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करो बेटा. Of course, it also becomes again takes the formula sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. I think just check it out. It takes the formula form. It takes the formula form. If you find out the determinant, 1 plus x square minus 2x cos by. If you find out the cofactor sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B.
Sir, it does not depend on A direct result.
Correct. Sin of A minus B means it is
Sir,
A,
sin BY.
AY plus BY minus AY minus BY. क्या आया sin of A minus B मतलब कितना आया? How much is it?
Sin BY into x का होता.
That's it. It is not depending on A. So first option. This one. Okay. Similarly, the next one.
Matrix भी 0 है.
Which one? B. Which one, Pash?
The next after A.
You mean to say B?
Yes.
Okay. I think it seems to be the product of two determinants. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. It seems like that. Let me write, because that will also be revised now, product of two determinants concept. This is, let me write first, data of x square plus y square and it is ax plus by and x plus y, ax plus by and it is a square plus b square and it is a plus b, x plus y, a plus b, 2. Let me take another page. Just a moment. I'll take one more page.
हाँ सर ये मैट्रिक्स 0 है.
Yeah, now say this. And I think it takes the form of product of two determinants. I'm checking for us. I'm just checking whether it can be written as the product of two determinants or not. Let us try like this. X square plus y square is there. I can write 1x here and one more x here, which becomes x square. I can write one y here, another y here, which becomes x square plus y square. This is 0. Let me try like this. And the second element is ax plus by. I'll write it as a, b, 0. That's perfect. So ax plus by, correct. Next, x plus y. That means you must have 1, 1, 0. Obviously, this is 0. That's it. Because one of the determinant, you understood that it is 0. And of course, this can also be written. Anyone? Do you help me out in writing the second row here?
A B
0. And this one? 1, 1, 0. So 0 into 0, answer 0. It is not depending on any one of x, y, a, b. So all are PQRS. In that case, it is PQRS. Clear everyone? Just think of this also, revise this also. Product, any determinant can be written as the product of two determinants. Most of these problems generally you will get 0 and Parsh was saying 0. How you know that it is 0, Parsh?
सर मैंने बस मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था क्योंकि फिर 2a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर है x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर डायरेक्ट डिटरमिनेंट सॉल्व करने जाएंगे तो पहले दो टर्म्स का एडिशन सिमिलर टर्म्स आ रहे थे सब माइनस साइन के साथ तो एंड में 0 हो जाता.
So whatever, he got the idea. Now this is in fact, this I want to revise. The property which I want.
मैंने वो सम वाला रूल यूज किया तो दो मैट्रिक्स बनाए और फिर बाद में ओरली सॉल्व किया तो 0 हो रहा था.
मतलब इसको स्प्लिट कर दिया दो मैट्रिसेस, दो डिटरमिनेंट्स में.
हाँ सर, हाँ तो एक का मतलब दोनों मैट्रिक्स सेम टाइप के आ रहे थे, खाली ए बी के साथ रिप्लेस हो रहा था और एक्स वाई के साथ.
Very good. Very good, beta. You must have such different ideas. I hope this is clear. Jehan?
Yes, sir.
बाहर गया अंदर आया.
हाँ वो भूल से वो हो गया था.
ठीक है. क्या हाल है मुंबई का जहान?
मस्त है सर इधर.
मस्त मतलब वो खुल रहा है अभी स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस खुल रहा है क्या?
नहीं, वो सब नहीं खुला पर बाकी सब खुला है। एजुकेशन वाला सब बाकी है। 15th को बोल रहे थे खोलने का, पर कुछ बोला नहीं हम लोग को अभी तक।
The entire country victims are the teachers. Victims are the teachers. Many institutions. Really, it's a pathetic situation. So कुछ गवर्नमेंट का कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस है क्या एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस के बारे में उधर?
तो बीच में पढ़ा था कि 15th को वो लोग चालू करेंगे धीरे धीरे।
अक्टूबर 15 को?
और हाँ, फिर कुछ अपडेट्स मैंने पढ़ा नहीं।
अच्छा, धनंजय को पता होगा?
क्या सर?
रीओपनिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस के।
Sir, restaurants are open at 50% capacity, but education का like schools and colleges का कुछ बोला नहीं।
कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है?
नहीं सर।
क्या है प्रियांशी?
Yes, sir.
कुछ बात हुआ क्या ठाकरे से?
Yes, sir.
स्कूल्स का रीओपनिंग के बारे में बेटा कुछ सीएम से बात किया कि नहीं किया? तो
नहीं सर।
नहीं की?
नहीं सर।
you don't want मतलब कॉलेज रीओपन होने की आपको मर्जी नहीं है क्या?
नहीं सर।
है? Okay. Alright, just to take a screenshot of it and finish up the rest of the two, and D is little lengthy. You have to do that. Have you taken the screenshot of it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm leaving it. Let's move on. Integer type, please. If ABC are in order, or in AP lying between 1 and 9, A23, B53, C83 are 3-digit numbers, then the value of the determinant. You can straight away do this. It's an integer type question. If you split it, you'll get the idea. If you split it, you'll get the idea. What is that splitting here? Let me write. What is that? The first row remains as it is, 2, 5, 8. Let me write the second row first so that we'll be comfortably writing the entire matrix. 100A plus 20 plus 3. And this one, 100B plus 50 plus 3. And this one, 100C plus 80 plus 3. Now, the first row, 2, 5, 8. And third row, A, B, C. By now, you must have got the idea. With,
Yes, sir.
by now, you must have got the idea. Ved Vartak. Ved the businessman. वर्तक का हिंदी में मीनिंग है, अंग्रेजी में ट्रांसलेट किया तो द बिजनेसमैन. वेद द बिजनेसमैन टैग है उसका, ये
0 आएगा सर.
करेक्ट है बेटा, करेक्ट है. दैट इज, लेट अस चेंज R2 please. R2 changes to R2 minus 100 R3 minus, this is 20 here, 10 R1. Every one of you, please. This is 100 here.
ऑपरेशन अच्छा 3 पार्ट में स्प्लिट कर देते हैं और 2 मैट्रिक्स तो बिना काम के इसमें से 100 निकाल लेंगे तो ABC
Okay, you're right. You're right, Srivardhan. You're right. But just I'd like to, why I'm doing like this, just to give an idea for making it 0. What he's saying, do you understand? He wants to split it into 2 determinants and thereby you can find the answer. But what I would like to show here, how to make this 100A by multiplying with 100, how to make this 20 by multiplying with 10 here. So this becomes if you subtract 100A plus 20 plus 3 minus 100A minus 20. So what is that remaining there? You will get. Most generally, whatever the bigger matrices you get now, most generally they are adjusted to 0 only. Okay, now this is 258 and here 3 remains. Here 3 remains again and here also 3 remains again. This is ABC. You can take that 3 out or you can make those 2 zeros and or otherwise you can straight away find out the determinant. Or you can give values to ABC 1, 2, 3. It should be true for all ABC, no? It should be true for all ABC. You can give values to ABC as 1, 2, 3. And here also you have the common difference 3. Common difference 3. It is 0 anyway. So perform C2 changes to C2 minus C1. And C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Then what is that we get? Finally, 2, 3A. And you can even go by giving values to ABC as 1, 2, 3. That's what I said. So this is 3, 0, B minus A. And this is 6, 0, C minus B. Find out the determinant now. Yes, please. Yes, anyone. What is the final determinant now? This is minus 3 into minus 3 into 3C minus 3B. Three C minus 3B. बोलो
सर करेक्शन है
क्या बता
तो C minus A आया
हाँ C minus A you're right minus 3 into 3C minus 3A minus 6B plus 6A. Anyone, please? What is the final expression we have got? 3, you can get it out. Minus 9 into C minus minus A plus 2A plus A minus 2B is equal to 0. Minus 9 into 0. Why minus 9 into 0? A, B, C are in AP. Condition please. A, B, C are in AP. 2B is equal to A plus C. 2B is equal to A plus C. That's what? That's the reason why that becomes 0. Like how Srivardhan was saying to split the determinant and doing it, that's also more comfortable. You can follow that. But what I'd like to, why I have taken this question, I want to make you clear about this type of problems. If you are given A23, B53, how to split them with the position of the numbers. Position of the numbers. A is in hundreds position, 2 is in tens position, and 3 is in ones position. Thereby it becomes 100A plus 20 plus 3. So 100B plus 50 plus 3. Like that. I want to make it clear. And rest of them is row column operations only. And finally, we have got C plus A minus 2B. Another way of doing it is you take it as 1, 2, 3, please. You take it as 1, 2, 3, no problem at all. And even you can take it as 2, 5, 8 also. See the technique here. One moment, all of you, please. You can take this as 2, 5, 8 also. What is the common difference? 3. What is the common difference? 3. If you take ABC as 2, 5, 3, that should be true for all AP. No, at a glance you can say the answer. You need not have to go even for all the simplification. I repeat, I am erasing this first. Should I erase this? Huh. No, you need not have to even go for splitting also, Srivardhan. What I'm saying, I'm erasing this. Every one of you. Now, what I'm saying, here A, B, C, A take it as 2, B as 5, and C as 8. Can we take it or not? Yes, you can. Because A, B, C in order are in AP. So, we have taken them as 2, 5, 8. It should be true for this also. Replace the third column with 2, 5, 8, and thereby 2 rows are equal, and his answer is 0. That's it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Respond, please. Respond.
Yes, sir.
However, next one. AB set of 3 by 3 matrices formed by entries 0, minus 1 and 1 only. Also, each of 1, minus 1, 0 occurs exactly 3 times in each matrix. The number of symmetric matrices with trace A is equal to 0. Is K. Then K by 6. Just go through the problem carefully, everyone.
So we'll have to use combinations. We'll require minus 1, 0, and 1.
Yes,
in
yes.
the trace element.
Yes, yes. Trace of it is 0. And what we need is symmetric matrices. And I'd like to give you an idea how to write the symmetric matrix. What is the definition of symmetric matrix? In the name itself, you have the meaning of it. The operation of symmetric matrix. In the name itself, you have the operation. What I mean to say by operation, symmetricity in the rows and columns. Symmetricity in the rows and columns. Then how do we write this? A handsome guy. H. has beautiful F,
Fiance.
F, and G here, G here. Gone for cinema. धनंजय का बहुत याद है क्योंकि एक guy धनंजय है इधर. A handsome guy has beautiful fiancée, gone for cinema. This G belongs to Dhananjay. Okay, what is that happening here? You can see this won't change in the transpose. This won't change. And this is 1, 2 becomes 2, 1. Just check it out. And this 1, 3 becomes 3, 1. Just check it out. And 2, 3 becomes 3, 2. That's it. So like that you have to write. That means whatever you are writing in 1, 2 place, you must write the same in 2, 1 place. Whatever you are writing in 1, 3 place, you must write the same in, I think this I wrote wrong. This is 3, 1. This is 3, 1. This is 3, 2. Whatever you are writing in 1, 3 place, you must write the, yeah, yes. 1, 4, cinema. Oh, this is ulta ho gaya. That's why I'm checking out. This should be what? This should be what? No one is subject means everyone is sleeping here.
G then
1, 3 becomes 3, 1. You must write the same here. And whatever you are writing in 2, 3, F, you must write the same here. That means there will be no other option here. So while filling this matrix, you must follow this idea. What is that? Let me write. Let me write that. What he's saying is the trace of it is 0 means the sum of the diagonal elements, as you know. The sum of the diagonal elements, as you know, is nothing but the trace. So the trace to become 0, you must fill the diagonal with 1,
1 minus 1 0.
minus 1, 0. There is no other option. It can be arranged in 3 factorial different ways. In 3 places, it can be arranged in 3 factorial different ways. Now, coming to the rest of them. Anyone, please?
Minus 1 0. पहले root ले.
And very important thing is,
Again, 3 factorial will come. We only need to take 3 places.
no, I don't think so. Just a moment, Parsh. Just a moment. What he's saying is exactly 3 times in each matrix, he's saying. Exactly 3 times in each matrix, he's saying. So,
Yes. So we only need to take 3 places. Then it will be mirrored because it's symmetric. So again, 3 factorial will come.
so if you write minus 1 here, for example, you will have only one option here. That's what you are saying. Yeah, it should be mirrored. And if you write 0 here, you must write 0 here. So this is and these two are same. And similarly, this is same as this. And the other one, 1 na? Yeah. What he means to say by mirrored, it is this one. Okay. Now tell me what is how many places they can be rearranged like this? It is only 3 factorial because this will be fixed here. if you fix the down part, that is below triangle below the diagonal, if you fix it, the above one will be automatically fixed. Similarly, if you fix the diagonal, the elements above the diagonal, then automatically the elements below the diagonal will also be fixed. So arrangement happens only either above the diagonal or below the diagonal. That happens only in 3 factorial ways. So it is 3 factorial into 3 factorial. What he's asking is nothing but k. Therefore, k by 6, 36 by 6 is 6. That's it. Easy question only. Only thing is to be understood. The diagonal must be replaced in such a way that the sum of the diagonals becomes 0, because the trace is given to be 0 there. Trace is given to be 0 there. Done.
सर ये क्वेश्चन जेई का है ना?
पता नहीं बेटा, जेई का कैसा होगा, ये इंटीजर टाइप है ना, मतलब you mean to say previous JEE question?
हाँ सर.
Maybe, I don't know. I have this question in my study material, and whatever the content I have collected from that one. It may be. Did you see this?
हाँ सर.
Good, then it's okay. Okay.
तो मैट्रिसेस के बाद क्या करेंगे?
I think the differential calculus is to be started. I think. I have to check the list given there. आपने ऐसा ही पूछ लिया, एक बार देख लेंगे. It is 9:30. Let me check one moment. Okay. One moment, please. I think it should be differential calculus, I think. Whatever. But let me see how many left over here. The entire problems collection is over. Only thing is, they are to be discussed. एक minute. Check करने दो. This we finish now. 1, 2. This we can do easily. 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a periodic function. Comprehension. 7, 8. This I want to give you as homework, please, because eigenvalues generally. Please, every one of you, please take a screenshot of it. Just a moment. Just a moment, please. Just a moment. Yeah. Now take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Have you taken it or not?
हाँ सर.
This eigenvalues you will get in your engineering mathematics. Engineering mathematics, that is given as a passage. That is given as a passage, and the questions related to it. If you say, okay, I'll move on to the question part. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
हाँ सर.
Questions, please. Questions. Questions also take the screenshot, and key is very much given there. After going through the passage, Try this, very easy. Try these. These are very easy. If you get any doubt, ask me later. Srivardhan, you are saying something?
Sir, eigenvalues tried out.
Oh yeah, that's why I've given you as homework. Just your reading habits must also be improved. You must have self-study. That's the reason why eigenvalues, even though they are not in the syllabus, they have given it as a passage. In the passage, by reading the passage, you'll understand what are the eigenvalues. And after that, you solve this. I hope you understand what I'm saying, Srivardhan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please take this screenshot also. Homework. It is infinitely many solutions, unique solution, no solution. Everyone is going away because they are all very busy and we don't have any work here. Yes. Are you there? Have you taken it or not? You can do that easily because unique solution, your delta is not equal to 0 and no solution, delta 0 and at least one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 non-zero, infinite solutions, delta 0, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, all zero according to Cramer's rule. If you want to follow the method what I taught you with regards to straight lines, 2D line, then eliminate x from 1 and 2 and 2 and 3, then compare them. If you have 2D lines, if you have 2D lines, then you can say A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 will have unique solution. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. You will have no solution. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. You will have infinitely many solutions. You can convert them. Even to 2D lines also. That is the reason why I have taken extra question. I have already discussed this in the previous sessions. Yes, this also please. This also, it is very easy. Take the screenshot. Are you there? Should I move forward? Key is given there. Key is already given. Just check it out by doing this. And this one. That's all. So 3-4 problems are left over. And I think mostly the Dhananjay.
Yes, sir.
Mostly the next topic is differential calculus.
Okay, sir.
That means limits, continuity and differentiability. And after that we'll have applications. Applications of differentiation is over. My part is over. Applications of differentiation.
Yes, sir.
Finished, huh? My part.
No, sir.
Okay. We'll be starting then differential calculus next after finishing this. So 4 or 5 problems are left over. We'll be finishing that in the next session.